Hey, it's Lady Borgia, and we're reviewing the JUVIA'S Place Festival palette. She is looking gorgeous. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, and if the lady likes it, come with me. And before I forget, I've got to say I've been loving the YouTube community. I'd like to give a wave to Duncan Smith for showing me his wonderful drone footage. Fantastic. I'll leave a link below so you guys can see it too. It is absolutely beautiful. All right, let's go and see if the lady likes it. I am ready to play with the festival palette. Eyebrows on, eyes prepped, concealer and powder. I haven't touched her yet though. Look at her. Not touched. Just for you guys so I can do it on camera. I think I am going to start with this beautiful, although I'm not sure how to say it, this one. Mamanwu. M-M-A-N-W. Mamanwu. Mamanwu. Okay, Mamanwu. Little kickback, not much. Ooh. It is pretty. I'm gonna pick up a little more of that Mamanwu, and I warn you, I'm gonna get colorful today. I'm ready for this. Ooh, all right. This is screaming my name, but I want to dip into this too. We're gonna hit this red, Izafa. Ooh, and I'm gonna do the same brush. I'm gonna hit that other orange too, don't you worry. Let's see. Not bad. Okay, what she got? Because I've got Sugar Pill Love Plus, and that is a damn good red. Ooh, let's get some more. Ooh, we got some color, honey. Oh, yes, we do. What song is that? Call me on the line. You can call me anytime. Call me. I knew it. It's Blondie. Get in there. I don't know. She's looking good. I do want to do a comparison with Izafa, this red, and Love Plus Sugar Pills red. I mean, this is a little bit of a deeper red. That's a brighter red, but it's good. It's building up. It's got a little pinky to it, but it's not like some of those other reds that you can build and build and build, and really all you get when you're finally getting it on your face is pink, and it looks red in the pan. I mean, this is going pretty red. All right, I'd say this is pretty good. So, oh, what do I want to do next? What do I want to do next? I love all the mattes in this. All right, I have switched over to my M506, and we're just going to start playing. We're gonna hit this orange first, which is Ofala. We're gonna just kind of put it in here. Ooh, all right, not as orange as I expected. Come on, Ofala. You can do it, baby, you can do it. Okay, let's put her in right here. Where I didn't bring the red, I'm gonna stick her in there. And pull her from here to the red. Izafa. Ooh, I'm liking it. Some Ofala for my left eye. They are pretty girls. It's definitely pigmented. Maybe not as much as it looks like in the pan. I don't know. I still think it's good. I mean, and the price on these is incredible. So a lot of the time it's better if it's not just bam with the pigment, because if you don't want to be bam that day, you can build it up. All right. Now we are going to take some of this Oro and blend out the edges. Ooh, it's yellow. And we are gonna just kind of blend out these edges around here and bring it in. And then I'm gonna take some more of the Izafa, the red, and go back in and deepen the red up a little bit more, just so it's to my liking. And we're gonna go back and forth with this a couple times into the red, back into the Oro, the yellow, and into the Ofala, the orange, deepening and blending, deepening and blending. Okay, now we're gonna take this beautiful pink in G and our little brush, and we're gonna pop it in right here towards the inner third. Under that orange in the crease. And we were just taking this Oro and an M507, which is a little longer and skinnier, and just adding a little back over here. Ooh, yes. Okay, we're gonna have some fun with the sparkly shades now. Now I'm going to go in this pretty sparkly white shimmer shade, Uli, and my little flat shader, and pop some in up here. Ooh, ooh, okay, I see you. I look like the pink and red bandit. I am definitely hitting this color right here. I am obsessed, and we're gonna see, we'll probably use this one too. And I've got to incorporate this one somehow. I mean, I just have that need when testing it out to try to use all the colors like that kid in the crayon box. It doesn't mean I do it every single time. Okay, we're gonna cut the crease. Now, when I cut creases, I like to use, how do I do that? An oval mop, because she's very skinny, or a number 4 filbert. These are paint brushes. I'm also a painter. I'm going to do a tutorial on cutting the crease and the different brushes you can use and how to make it easier. And ready to move on. We have cut the crease with concealer and we are dry. I am dry, my eyes are dry. Always remember to powder it before it sets, because since you are putting it in a natural crease and going just above it, the concealer will crease up on you. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, Abba. Yes! I think I'm gonna use, this is a funny little brush. It's just a flat shader. It's super flat, from Tarte, has no name. And some setting spray on the back of my hand. We're gonna go into that beautiful turquoise Abba. This is nice and rounded. Ooh, okay, let's see what she's gonna do. And start packing her in on that lid, right in the middle. All right. Ooh. You need to, you can go in with a smaller brush if you'd like to leave a negative space, just to make sure it is sharp, because you are cutting that crease. Now I'm going to pull this over and not fill it all the way in, because that sparkly black, I'm going to leave a space for it in that outer V. Ooh, this is like the sunrise over the water. Or sunset? I don't know. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, we're going to try this black color, this sparkly black called Kaleke. Just in that outer area. Ooh, yeah. And then take the edge and drag it up a little bit, just to make it pop. It makes the blue pop out a little more. I'm trying to talk to you with my eye closed. Yeah. I wanted to show you before we moved on, when I was doing this eye off camera, that I tried it with a little bit less setting spray, and it definitely had quite a bit of fallout onto here. I'm gonna clean that up, use a little bit more setting spray, because it worked much better on this side. With the setting spray, I had barely any fallout. Okay, we've got this on the outside, and we're ready to go into the inner corner. I cleaned up a little bit on this side. We'll finish cleaning up afterwards, and we're gonna try to hit that inner little bitty bit with the gold. Odo Gawoo, I don't know. How about you? Ooh, yes. Okay. I'm liking this. It reminds me of like the sun. There's the sun, and then there's the sunset and the ocean. Blend it out a little. I love this brush. I keep buying more of the same brush. The E56. All right, we're ready for some eyeliner. I've got the Inglot number 77. I know I look like war paint over here. And please don't pull. I just use this to balance my hand on. All right, we put the lashes on mascara, or actually mascara, then lashes. And I picked some big fluttery ones, and we're gonna finish under the eye and add our mascara, and then choose a little bit for the face, and we are done, and I'll have my final thoughts. So here we go. I'm gonna go in with this color, and I'm going to pop some in this inner corner. Ooh. Okay, I'm actually going to take that same brush and take some of this pink and go in like my wing. I'm wing-wanging it. Why not? I'm going to go into a little of the turquoise and the black. First the turquoise, Abba. And put that a little outer, and this time I'm going to let it blend with the pink a little. Oh, that makes a lovely color. Oh, I have an idea for something else. And it's okay, well, I know. Ooh. That's really pretty. And I think we need some darkness with this black. And I'm being a little rough on her. Let's just darken up this outer corner. Okay. And I think, ooh, I know what I want to do. Hold on a second. I need to grab something. Okay, I had an idea. I thought of this. It is the NYX retractable lip liner in MLP 20 hot pink / rose VIF, something like that. I don't know. I have a ton of liners, and I just wanted to pop this pink right there. Ooh. Should I get another one? Let's see, hold on. Just one more. I think this is Whirlpool by Marc Jacobs. We're just gonna take a little bit. See, it's such a pretty color. And we're just gonna put a little down here. You can barely see it, a little by the wingy. See that? Yes. If you turn it on its side, you'll just wing it out. Ooh, yes! I like that. All right, we're going to finish up. All right, we have it all on. What do I think of the new Juvia's Place Festival palette? Thumbs up. The lady likes it. I have to say, I thought that this red was going to be a little bit redder, but it is still a great red. It is fantastic. You do need to build it up. I love that there's so many matte colors. I mean, look at this Look at all these mattes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. That is fantastic. Often there's like a ton of shimmer tones and not enough mattes to work with. I like this palette. I will definitely use this palette just as much as I use their other palettes. I honestly reach for these palettes all the time. You do not have to come out with every single color on your eye. All 9 colors are on my eye. This was just some fun for the review. I wanted to test them all out. I think that's it. The lady likes it. We'll do it again. The lady likes it. The festival palette. Thumbs up. It's time to go, guys. Don't forget. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ding, hit the notification bell because I upload every Wednesday and multiple other times during the week. It depends on the week. See you soon. I can't wait to do this with you guys again. Love, Lady Borgia.